Today, we are going to prepare a healthy and delicious avocado and Makhana smoothie, specially made without sugar and perfect for weight loss. This smoothie is rich in fiber, healthy fats, and natural energy, making it an ideal drink for breakfast or as a light meal. It keeps you full for a longer time and supports a healthy and active lifestyle. Let us begin this simple and nutritious recipe step by step. First, place a pan on the gas stove and add 5 almonds, 5 cashews, and 5 pistachios. Dry roast them well without using any ghee or oil. After 1 minute, add 1 teaspoon of white pepper and roast it lightly along with the nuts. Once everything is nicely roasted, remove it from the pan and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 1 cup of makhana and dry roast it until it becomes crispy. Make sure no oil or ghee is used while roasting. Now take 1 ripe avocado, cut it open. Add the avocado pulp to a mixer blender. Take 5 dates, remove their seeds, and add them to the blender as a natural sweetener instead of sugar. Add all the dry roasted nuts, makhana, and white pepper into the blender. Pour fresh coconut water mixed with normal drinking water into the blender for smooth blending. Blend everything well until you get a smooth and creamy texture. Now take some roasted makhana and crush it in a mortar and pestle. Keep it slightly coarse, not a fine paste. Take 2 serving glasses and add this crushed makhana into both of them. Pour the prepared smoothie into the glasses. Garnish the smoothie with a few chopped pistachios and 1 whole makhana on top. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and fiber. It helps in weight loss by keeping you full for a longer time and supports heart health and digestion. Makhana is low in calories and high in protein. It boosts metabolism, supports fat loss, and helps in controlling blood sugar levels. Almonds, cashews, and pistachios provide protein, vitamins, and minerals. They give long-lasting energy and reduce unhealthy cravings. Dates act as a natural sweetener and provide iron and fiber without using refined sugar. White pepper improves digestion and increases metabolism, which supports weight loss. Coconut water keeps the body hydrated, detoxifies naturally, and makes the smoothie light and refreshing. This sugar-free avocado and makhana smoothie is a perfect healthy drink for weight loss, energy, and overall wellness. Thank you for the watching video.